Good morning, Abazonia. This is Commander Big Gang, Ngangshungang. The Buffaloes of Balinyonga, we are out 2021. Yes. We want to let the international community to know that we can never accept the rule of Cameroon because those in powers that are not capable. Atanganjipo, the Tetra administration has already shown the example. Yes, we are the voices in the bushes. Yes, these are the voices in the bushes. Atanganji, yes, by the time this video will get to the end, we'll kill your foolish and stupid terrorist military, and you come and carry them and go to their families and bury the beliefs. Yes. Buffaloes of Balinyonga, oye! Buffaloes of Balinyonga, oye! We are the voices in the bushes. 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 The voices in the bushes.
Yes. Now the Air Force is part 2, 28, number 9 on 2021. Yes. We don't chop blood, we don't chop blood. We don't chop blood. We don't chop blood now. Come on, Oha, the way them for Caribou no return. Now Caribou no return this, eh? Man, where you no go? Man, where you no go? No. Now Air Force is, now Air Force. Yes, we don't wet them. Yes, that all now. We almost take that their big DT. Yes, that's all we do to come up now. So, how we don't destroy 3, 7 they come up again. Without their machine gun, they don't really know for jacket. Yes, you know go easy for their skin. Now all now. You almost drive that machine gun today. Yes, man. Sagat. Now, oh, Hannah.
Yes, I did go to. A lot of boys them this. Now the year say maton. You make that in there. Now then this. See that person there. Now the general this. Now the general that. Now the year say maton. When I say maton and name. Now the beginning this. Now look them fine. Now the beginning this. Yes. When you make that in there. Yes. We about to kill. Others now. We didn't have a year. Siam. And the general, I just want to say general, so that the fine general. And this. It is not just small skin. Una see launcher. Na launcher that too. Yes. Get an 8 for year. Now the general. Yes, photographer and this.
32 bats in the minute.
And 2 bats in this. Where they say Smally. When they say Smally. When I hear them and this, yeah, they remain nice though. They remain nice. Yes, they remain nice. And then this. Yes, General talk.
Yes, and I need this. I need a General Jasso. You know, all civil arrested. They want come for my tour, they find General. Near the way they made a camp for him, made a camp find him. General, tell them. Water pass water. That one.
Story the General.
Iron the pass iron.
No be na so.
For material, no say no. Iron the pass iron.
No be lie.
Yes. And the General calls to General Sukadev. I need this.
They say as you put ball of skin.
When they say Smally. When I see the guy going small la no. Even if we talk say na the smallest beginning but they also Sukadev you not AK-49. Double magazine no. And that. Na the beginnings. They don't talk of the one that they big.
Beg me.
Yes, when I say mission commander, you na Chenkota. Hello? Na Chenkota this. Na Chenkota that. Na don't the say matter. Oh, about na no kanisa ya back. Na go be so la come no matter. Yes. As na the end of people in this. And then this. Yes.
General this.
The general is.
We call la République du Cameroun, mais le camp, more dialogue, more talk. Now why that me as you don't for table, yes, me all the American more dialogue, me na them. They fight because me I never tell for kill. need to kill sauter all time, every day.
Understand the gang, understand check going for up.
The general this for here. The smaller general.
See, boy, what going about? Now better going for back.
Yes. Very come here.
Yes. Yes. Today the 19th of September 2021. We went a military then, so and then that's the camp. Colonel Inch is there on board. We able Commander Aki. Yes. And then that. And I see them. Yes. And then that. And then that. They will soon reach our target. Now with this. Yes. Yes. They will soon reach our target. They will soon reach our target. Yes. Yes. We don't do. Good.
You ready?
One spirit, one love. One spirit, one love. Asawana, Asaguam, Esimene. And we go continue the Jamjama. Now me, General for Air Force, we warriors. I want to give this special warning to Mr. Bia and the minister them, with the generals them, for the Republic and colonies them. So, we there for Bui, we need the shake. They come every day, they change, they go, they come. Now this very we saw, we deal with one on them, with the jam them with them. And the special warning we are again for La Republique military, I say, we not generals them, we not there for office, they chop money. Me when I come to for field, for first we generals them. Now we generals them. We the shoot. We that na chorongo picking them when I say them. We not train fine. Man they go carry poto over Raymond when I say them. Say me they can't fight legend them. We there so we know the shake. We there for Bui. Until I want to say any military man where they step the foot for Bui. Me check and find. When you want come, you sign your dead warrant. Sign everything where you get them. For your family, give all your will for your family before you come for Bui. Because Bui na land of no return. So anything where then I say, how will we fight so? We not be declare war. But La Republique don't make them. Now so, time don't be where we won't declare war against La Republique. Declare. We be make now self-defense, but now Bui warriors don't declare war against La Republique. So, I no get plenty for the talk. Now say, before 1st October, when I go to hear na news, we warriors, they know they ever talk. But when I don't push, we want make a man and not say, Bui, na land of no return. Land of no return.
Fire me, I fire you. Fire me, I fire you.
What you fire me? Fire me, kada.
Bye bye. Yes, we get General Tiger, boy there. General A4. General Butabuki, General Lion. All the boy there, they active. Live, we got Agati. General Tabuki E4. Brigaya Mamin Bumbu, una baba.
Una broka, una jam.
Jam out in. Right, it's a petrol.
Una broka.
And as a man, we should be able to be a boy.
Yeah, no, not sure. They're broken. The back up here. Una show face.
Who's up petrol? You know the guy that long me that brigade broke my eyeglass now. Their mommy, they'll go. They not be shake.
They no crawl that building again.
Yeah, back up said the fear say only the material. You ain't even know to come meet up. Their mommy. Brigade a mommy. Na 4 general in there. General Tiger. A4, okay. We get General Tabuki for General Lion. A combination where it shows them no. Brigade, bye bye. We don't come to play, we come to send you away. Fucking Bumbo.
All the brigade for Fuso. They come back. All man are jolly.
Only squad. Harvesting was not a play job, man.
All team.
Ide.
How are they so now? 7 Qatar will come back.
That's a big General A4 line.
Now the biggest General A4 for Bafoot.
If Baba alone, see that gendarmerie thing take on for Brigade Agati. Anyway, where it's in so no gendarmerie live.
The biggest.
Tell me what boys them go up.
Quiet.
I said, okay. The one now the harvesting way General A4 for Bafoot 7 Qatar and General Tiger. They decide to collaborate with General Lion from Mancon and General Uno no go no for Mancon. So they don't decide for wipe Mezam. Since they decide for instead keep since they say no, they bring gun at them for can't fight. We don't decide instead for keep Mezam clean. So now the first act this. So we'll start this act for Bafoot. We'll come back with all this material. They will all you the same for down. Yes, now for Brigade, Gendarmerie, for Bafoot, for Agati. Any man know that place, he go know what you talk about. Yes, man we don't know. Man we don't know, he go still understand. Say yes. Yes, today now 26 September 2021. Yes, and na Sunday, the attack starts for 5 o'clock for morning time, it ends for around 11 for daytime. So me always understand say no, as we don't start them, we will fulfill our promise. So now the 2 AK and that will bring them, now if you see their cap them, their back them, JP, Garde President on a witty, and not the Frenchman. So me always understand now their material than a laptop lab. So I thank we all for view this beautiful video. Thank you.
Okay, for then they drink now,
yes.
enjoy.
Today was celebration now.
Asawana. Asabwan. Isimili. Today no work I find because we take today in a magazine.
No be lie.
Anyway, now me General No Pity, Major General No Pity, the King of Ngokitunja, the father of Marine Force. Yes. Today, now the 8th October 2020, we meet at the one sound this warning to large public terrorists, especially you want it to go to park. If only they are alive now. No be lie. Amba oye. No pity, ginger them. Say me no pity. I there for you. With Commander Pikin and Commander Bosta from Bafanji. We don't decide or think ourselves or work a marvelous job. Say me, I don't vow from the very onset of this crisis. Say me, I will fight to the last man standing. Yes. Yes. I tell you all time, if any ekelebe one can say one can cash na no pity, only one ending na no pity he head. Now he head your goal he go today.
No be lie. No be lie.
No pity, no be ever shake. No pity was done after struggle. No be during struggle.
And no pity they fear no dog, fear no evil.
I don't talk. Nobody dares me. Whoever dares me dares death. Yes. Now all them these, no power no day for here. Now small picking them. But like they work with small picking at the work. He pass party around.
Oh yeah! Now Virgin the talk.
I don't know. I don't know whether I say Commander Pikin.
Yeah, General.
I don't know if you have something very important to say.
Yes, I have something very important.
You can take the floor.
Amba oye! Oye! Amba oye! Oye! No pity oye! Oye! No pity oye! Oye! Asawana! Wana! Asawana! Wana! Asabuam! Buam! Now me, Commander Pikin from the Marine Force of Bambalang. Under the command of Major General No Pity. No be lie.
No be lie.
Yes. This special warning to go to Park. I just said to Park. The message will reach you. Now me, Commander Pikin the talk. You see what will happen for you today for Bambalang. If you still be alive, you will see the video. This is not the beginning and not the end. Tupac, we are waiting for more.
Anytime.
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 We are waiting for more. Anytime.
Pity life. Never promising. Never promising. No pity life. Never promising. 9 days. 9 days. 9 days. Oh, Diba. Maris. No. Marie.
Ekimacha of Norwest, Amazonia, Makudunga, now we get the terrain, Major General Sagon, Chili Captain Wata, Jiban and Jiba of Marifon. We want to tell you, Kalabere, tell you not just. Now, Allah.
Salute all the civilian population. I just we just get a small message for her. I just decided to say salute. Now no pity life. Live now? Yes. Now it is.
Don't want.
When you no get photocopy, no pity. I sure say when I see all things. Yes. It is one alive. I eat the butcher and alive. So I salute all now.
Thank you.
Hotel when I say, no, I no say. She shake no day. Now you know? Yeah. She shake no day. As far as no pity they alive, she shake no day for Amberland. I sure say when I know already say no pity they fight on all sides.
Yes.
It did the network. You know, there's no time where they fight for this side. No, you need no time where they enter for this side. When I know I enter for here because I know for kind of attack. If you can attack, now no say no pity be there for here now when it will now come out the scene that I believe that for road. So now so no pity they afraid. I should say for this road, how we didn't get overpass with you are route 2. If I move, they make a they fear the road. May they not just come to enter anyhow. If you are talk care, blood like this for take and go talk, I don't care. Because I feel call for a brigade that they can't attack a brigade, I will still enter for there, I will still key, I will take gun and for you.
Yes, now they work this. Now they work this. Where animal picking.
Can't take your house.
Now they have this. Who said I kill him? I put I kill him. Oje bring that gun here. See what you do now. Una bring that gun here. See what you do. I'm not going to my pass. Not try. You don't finish. Yes. Now the work is animal picking go work. Yes. Now in this way go work from Akwen. He come off on Chang. Moto. Since I'm here, they take moto now for find me animal picking. I'm here, they take moto now for find Amber. They take transport motor for find Amber. So now Amber they take motor too for find Amin. Now work this way will take motor from Bessinge, we go harvest for Akwen. 1 machine gun, 2 AK. We don't know the number here they die. Because they're shooting. We don't use up to 5 minutes. They work, we don't work for spiritual well. We just go now, we go take them for physical. So we not be good for attack the camp, we're going to have attack control. So as we finish with control, we'll retrieve back. They are there, they will enter there. We will enter, may they prepare fine. May they prepare fine. I want this. Inshallah.
General Novice on an official visit into Bamising. Nachak, Sheshek no there. Na grandpa so. It's a me looking for Bamising. Something no there, dog no there. See how picking them there a long line. Now FM that's so. Dog no there. Found a palma take the picking them. Now sumo. Wow, the only brother. Who does you know Riboya? Mama me. Oh, Mama me. Who's on the gozo? How na plenty zone I go there. Boy I know her name. Last man no be foolish. No be lie.
My brother, as we can say, when you see this struggle that people are fighting, it is not a fiction. This is a pillar being planted by the Germans during the demarcation of the George Picot line. As you can see, BC, British Cameroon, which means up this way is British Cameroon, stone number 54.
People of the great America did not fear. Young people who listened to General George Washington ran down Broadway, went for the statue of King George III, decapitated that statue, melted it, and made bullets to fight for the independence of this country. Our people are learning from your example. And so we will not let anyone take our independence.
Speaking of independence, don't listen to what the government of La République du Cameroon, the annexationist government of La République du Cameroon, is telling the world today. We are not one nation. We are two nations, two people, perfectly divisible. We ask the Congress of the United States to stand with the people of Southern Cameroon. The United States did the right thing on the 21st of April 1961 when you voted for the independence of Southern Cameroon. You were one of 64 proud countries that stood with our people and said you deserve independence. Now it is time for Congress. It is time for the United States to stand with our people and restore that independence. It was stolen 45 years ago under a fake referendum on the 20th of May 1972, when a majority French-speaking colonial annexationist occupational people decided they were going to overrun our people. They have managed to hold us in bondage this long, 45 years. But we are here to deliver a message. Nigeria, bigger Nigeria besides us, held us in bondage for 44 years. In 1953, we broke away. And we will break away again. Because we are born free. And we will allow no people to dominate us. We will allow no people to enslave us. We will allow no people to rule us. We ask you, proud people of the United States, we ask you, the Congress of the United States, do the right thing. Set a people free. It is the same thing we wish of you. If I lived